It's great to be back with the girls. We've all come into this camp happy and really looking forward to the next two games, two important games that we've got. But we're only looking forward to the Bosnia one first, that we've got to get the 3 points on board there, and then we'll look ahead to the Russia game. I think Swansea's a good base for the games. I'm sure we'll get a good crowd there, especially after the performance against England. Hopefully we'll get as many people out as possible. I know most of the girls have about 20 tickets allocated to them at the moment, so I'm sure there'll be a lot of family and friends there, which will be great to play in front of. Yeah, it means a lot. Putting on the shirt every game is just the same feeling as the first time you put the shirt on. Playing for the dragon on your chest means the world, and you know, I know all the girls feel exactly the same. You can see, watching that England game, watching it back, the anthem, everything about that game was just showed us as a group and us as girls.